Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to tell you about a contest for electronics student, and especially for those who are interested in IoT or artificial intelligence related projects and those who build projects like this. So you can win a good amount and some goodies and a board. So as this contest is sponsored by DigiKey and organized by Electronics Links, the title of this project is IoT plus AI Project Design Challenge. Turn your innovative IoT plus AI idea into reality and get a free development board to build it. You can showcase your project and get a chance to win prizes and boards worth rupees 6 lakh. So these are the three boards you can win: ESP32C6, Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi build, and Max 78000. So the overview of this project is: if you are passionate about building with hardware and exploring the possibilities of IoT and AI based projects, you can participate. You can build something meaningful like smart home solutions, health tracker, or industrial applications, or some medical devices, and many more. Let's talk about the hardware boards. So, to help you bring your idea to life, contest sponsor DGK is providing free development boards. Simply, you have to choose one of the boards listing below and you have to submit your project idea. The three boards are ESP32C6 DevKit 3 and Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, and third one is ADI's Max 78000 FTHR. They will review all submissions and select the top 50 ideas. Once your idea is selected, you can order the board directly from DigiKey and they will cover the full cost of the development boards. So let's talk about the timeline of these things. So this contest is already launched on May 26, 2025, and the final hardware apply is July 15th of 25, and the final submission is October 14, and the winner's announcement is November 5, 2025. Let's talk about the prizes. The first prize is 80,000, and the second prize is 40,000, and the third prize is 30,000. You can also win a creative project prize that is 10,000 each for 5 projects, and you can also win goodies. All project submission will be receive exciting goodies. So how to participate in this contest? You have to follow some steps. There are 5-6 steps. So step 1 is, if you are not signed up on this website, so you have to sign up and then you have to sign in. Now step 2 is apply for hardware. Once registered, submit your project idea to apply for hardware. Simply choose one of the boards and submit your project idea. Now this step 3, get your development board from DigiKey. Upon selection of your ideas, proceed to purchase your development board from DigiKey. About a hassle-free checkout experience. They will cover board cost by providing a rebate for successful submission of your projects. To know more, you can click here on learn more. This step 4 is build your project. Start building your project using the development board. You can also use any extra components. You have to bring your idea to life and create a great demo. Now this step 5 is make video and documentation. So document your project with all details like circuit diagrams, code and images. Also create a video showing your project in action. This must be your original. Use non-copyright content. Don't forget to create bill of material using DigiKey My List. You can click on this to know more. You can check our sample project for reference. Like you can check their sample projects for references. And the last step is submit your project. These are the boards, and there is a button register as a participant. You have to click here to register. These are the judges. So don't forget these timelines. 21 people have already applied for this hardware, and there is still now 63 participants. So do all the registrations or things as soon as possible. So for more details and more contest and more tutorial videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, as I've already uploaded many videos like DIY robot car, wireless robot car, PCB design using KiCad, and also a project using Python and Arduino with sensors, and the tutorials using Arduino, and some unboxing of electronic components for projects. You can watch these playlist videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye bye.